or Leo versus Hannah Crosby.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Adam Cadro, P74644 on behalf of plaintiff.
And Hannah Crosby's here.
All righty, thank you. All right,
Your Honor, we had adjourned this to perfect service on Miss Crosby. The service was made, but in the proof of service, there was a error made. The court officer said that he had served it on Hannah Crosby, a male. Obviously, Miss
No,
Crosby.
he came to me, but it's someone's credit card statement. It had nothing in it, but somebody else's credit card stuff from Florida. So I don't know what was in it.
Okay.
He served me. It's right here. He served me to myself, and I chased him down the road because as soon as I looked at what it was somebody else's Barclay card. No information. It's like 20 pages, but none of it's anything about me. So,
Okay. Your Honor, I guess I would ask if Ms. Crosby would submit to personal service as her showing up today. If not, I can have the service reordered.
I mean, that's fine. I just don't know what was supposed to be in it.
yeah,
Last time
I have no idea what that is, Your Honor. If somebody down in
no,
Florida,
I understand that, but the problem is then Miss Crosby doesn't know why she's here.
Well, I know that they said I didn't pay rent since February, and I paid $21,000 during that time, which was more than the rent. So I didn't know why I was here the first time, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor.
And now this is visit number 3 or something, and we still haven't shown anything. So I'd like to be done, frankly.
Your Honor, if I may speak to this, Ms. Crosby saying she didn't pay rent, is saying on the complaint, it said she didn't pay anything past. Your Honor, she had a significant balance of rent due. So we allocated it as of rent not being paid through February 2023, which I believe is our right to do. So she's saying she made payments after that, but she had a significant balance prior to that. So yes, Ms. Crosby made some payments on there, but there was a
$21,000. I was paying $1,000 more a month for an arrears balance when I went through a divorce. He charged all sorts of crazy fees, went way above the rent, was charging me late payments and interest, which isn't a thing. The amount that it's not a thing. I've been in rentals for 20 years.
Exactly. No, I just like the way you said that. That's not a thing.
It's not a thing. And so he sent me some spreadsheet that wasn't accurate. And I moved out at the end of my lease term. I had been paying him $1,000 extra a month and paying early and giving him extra payments, $500. I have all the proof of all my payments. And so to get served with something that said a $15,000 balance was insane. Plus he kept my $4,050 deposit.
Yeah, Your Honor, Ms. Crosby has had this information. I have sent it to her. She has never responded to my inquiries and disputing any of charges.
Well, I'm going to give her a chance to, because it sounds rather intriguing. Because your client may have, hold on.
Sure.
Your client may, this was a rental. This was a rental. So there's going to be a problem, and you might want to apprise your client of that. If he improperly withheld their security deposit, if you were charging things that aren't chargeable under a lease or any type of rental agreement, and if he was charging interest, we're going to have a big problem.
I understand that, yeah.
I think if she shows that, you might want to let your client know this might be a circumstance where he's going out of the world backwards, and he might owe her money.
I understand that, Your Honor.
And that is what I stated to you, Mr. Cadro. I stated to you that my deposit should be sent back. I didn't.
Ms. Crosby, we went through Your Honor, I don't know I think we should maybe adjourn this for 2 weeks so Ms. Crosby and I have time to go through this. We just had.
Okay. Hold on a second.
Sure.
It sounds to me like you two have talked.
We have.
We have not.
We absolutely have. We
Yeah,
absolutely
I can usually get people to agree that they talk to each other at least. They may not agree, but
Your Honor, we have not talked since before the last court date when she said, this isn't true. I made these payments. I said, well, please let me know when you made these payments. And I haven't heard anything from her since.
You did not say that. I told you, please tell me when my deposit will be back because you have until the end of the month. And you said that will not be happening.
I said, there are these charges. You're not.
okay. All right. Look, folks,
No.
let's do this. Ms. Crosby, how long will it take you to file a written answer?
I have all my stuff today, so whenever you would like it.
Okay, I need a written answer to the court served on counsel that is going to serve as a basis for a counterclaim. It's against the money damages on this case.
I haven't even seen actually anything in writing about the money damages, and I guess it would have been in this service that was somebody else's credit card statement. So I don't even know.
Hold on a second. I mean,
because at this point I just have rent owed since February where I have
I have it's in this case. So you haven't seen the pictures that were filed with the court?
No.
I believe I sent them. I can double check, Your Honor. I also know we just got a water bill for $4,393 that was never paid either. So there's a significant amount of damage. I believe, I don't want to waste the court's time going through this until Ms. Crosby and I have a chance.
Okay. Counsel, exactly how much is your claim in this case? Let's start there.
It is $20,000 and 341 cents and 10 cents.
Say that again.
$20,341.10.
And
Your Honor.
Hold on, just hold on. I mean, I don't. Okay, so between the time of your filing, right,
Yeah.
and back in July, right?
Yes.
And today,
I don't think it was.
how did we
July.
get five? Okay, I don't know who Misty's iPhone is.
Yeah, it wasn't me speaking, Your Honor. I just want you to know it wasn't
Okay.
me.
Between $5,000. How did that happen? What is that?
That is, I believe that the court cost of the water bill was $4,393.29 that my client just had received. He just sent it to me earlier this week. Ms. Crosby had not paid the water in 3 years there, to our knowledge. So we had received that. There was also significant damage. The garage door was severely damaged and now needs to be replaced. They had to professionally clean the carpets because of the damage from her animals. There was paint. There was a bunch of damages as well. I have a list of things that, I would have liked to spoken to Ms.
When
Crosby.
did she vacate?
I believe she vacated the 31st of July, Your Honor.
That's correct.
And your client sent notice of this to her?
Yes, the first initial service was a substitute service made on her husband. We were in here I believe a month ago, Your Honor. Ms. Crosby didn't show up. You asked.
I remember.
Yeah. So, that.
I tried
No. I'm saying under the Security Deposit Act.
Yes.
Did
So
he give her notice?
No,
that she had asked.
No, counsel. Counsel, don't answer your own question, answer mine. Did he give her notice under the Security Deposit Act of the damages that he's claiming?
Yes, we have sent,
Okay.
we have
I
sent
don't think
letters,
you know
we've
what I'm
sent
talking
pictures.
about. So
No, I understand. what
here's
you're
the
saying.
problem. Okay. So
Your Honor, we've been assessing all of the damages, getting all the estimates that need to be done. There's significant damage. Ms. Crosby asked whether or not, we had, she was going to get the security deposit back. I said there's significant damages. We're still working through the final numbers, and we will provide those when they are set.
Your Honor, if I may, he said that it was not happening. He had said in the previous, I was on another Zoom thing like this, and he said the damages were $960 or something. I objected to that because charging a 3-year tenant for a carpet cleaning when I had to pay a $350 cleaning fee on my lease, they're gonna have to be cleaned between tenants. They're supposed to be cleaned every year, let alone every 3. You don't charge paint and carpet cleaning to your vacating tenant. The garage door works fine. Significant damages and having to be replaced is new to me, and it was not mentioned at that time. I should have received a security deposit back because rent is able to be disputed, especially when there's no proof. He's got fees and interest and things that aren't legal. Charged.
Hold on. I'm sorry. Counsel. I'm trying to figure this out. So there were 5 people leasing the premises?
No,
I
No.
believe her. I
Me
believe
and
her
my
ad-
children.
Yeah.
and
Hold on.
they served my 16-year-old son the first time, which wasn't even a thing, but we were already moving out, so it didn't matter. I was moving out at the end of my lease term with notice. It wasn't my husband. I don't know where that came from. I'm divorced.
I apologize.
Oh.
That's what the court officer had told me when he served it.
What? Well, hold on a moment. I have 5 people that lease this premises.
No,
I'm looking at the lease.
those are my children. They didn't lease it, and only I signed. Yeah.
Hold
Correct,
on.
only she signed, Your Honor.
That's right. So only she signed. Okay. Look, here's what we're going to do.
And my pets were also on the lease. It wasn't like they were illegal pets. There were pet fees and cleaning costs and all sorts of stuff.
I'm sure there were. So here's what we're going to do. Ma'am, I'm going to give you 2 weeks to file an answer. You need to file an answer to the court by October 6th, including all counterclaims, including your dispute, obviously, of the security deposit. Okay?
Okay.
You need to file a copy with the court and with, and serve a copy on opposing counsel.
Okay.
And then I will set a pretrial on this for October 20th, 2023, 12 p.m., 12 noon.
Oh, man.
Then we'll go through, get our issues narrowed down, because this sounds like it's going to be a trial. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. I apologize for the confusion. I will speak with my client.
Yeah, you might want to do that.
Yeah.
Before we go too far down the road.
Yeah,
Thank you,
okay.
folks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Your Honor.
Everybody
Thank
have a
you.
good weekend.
Thank you.